promised you a story.
With you, Nankya.
With me, Nkoza.
Nankya, my darling, it's bedtime now. But before you go to sleep, I'd like to tell you a story about baby elephant.
Yes, Mama, I love elephants.
I know you like elephants, but do you know what an elephant is called in Uganda?
Is it called Enjovu?
Yes, that's right. It's called Enjovu. Now I want to teach you a song we used to sing back when I was growing up. It goes like this.
Enjovu, 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 Enjovu. Yakula bulungi negeja, naye akakira kayo ke kagiswaza. Enjovu, 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 Enjovu. Yakula bulungi negeja, naye akakira kayo ke kagiswaza.
What the song says is that the elephant is a big and beautiful animal, but it was ashamed of its tail. But if baby elephant was human, do you know what I would say to her? I would say to her to never ever be ashamed of a tiny tail, because she's beautiful, she's strong, she's mighty and kind. Now, my darling Nankya, if you ever feel ashamed of anything, remember this. You are beautiful, you are important, you are smart, and you are kind, just like what I would tell the elephant.
Thank you so much, Mama. Webelenyo.
Now, good night, my dear. It's time to go to sleep. Do not let the bugs bite, okay? Mommy loves you very much. Mwah. Sula bulungi.
Nawe sula bulungi.
Thank you.